People are familiar with things like solar panels now, but ultimately the very best solar panel is a leaf. So even at the most efficient that we've created solar panels so far, we haven't come close to that solar panel.
Yes.
So this solar panel captures nutrition, captures the energy through photosynthesis into the leaf, but the interaction that allows that to happen is the soil underneath. So it is the soil and, first of all, the bacteria and the life of the soil that actually feed the plant and allow it to then capture energy from the sun. If we took just a teeny pinch of that, you know, like a teaspoonful of soil, in there's more life than there are people on the planet.